Come on, you can say good morning. We're at the Magic Kingdom. Ready? Ready? One. Ready? Go ahead.
Good morning, Magic Kingdom.
We're at the Magic Kingdom again?
Yeah. That's my holding.
Yeah, hold on a second. All right, good morning. Day number 3, it's our last day. We are at the Magic Kingdom again. A little bit of a late start, but we actually have 2 Genie passes already. For Splash Mountain, Harrison and I are gonna get on it, and then Marissa and Eliana have Big Thunder Mountain, but Eliana's not gonna get on it, so Harrison's gonna get on it with her. So we're gonna knock out some Fantasyland in the morning since we got a late start, and we already got the big mountains, and those will be here in about an hour or so. Here we go, buddy. Ah, Harrison, come on. Ah, Harrison! Harrison, make it straight. Goodness! Keep it straight! Nana! Eliana!
I'm fighting it, Daddy.
Alright, so we just got off a Dumbo. We did Cars, we got a Dumbo. It's not a very long wait for the Barnstormer. And Marissa's like, why don't you go with Harrison? I said, no, why don't you go with Harrison? So she doesn't like roller coasters, but I made her get on. So let's see how she takes it. What do you think, Nana? You think
I think she won't like it, but I want to see.
Yeah, I don't think she's gonna like it either. You're welcome, Marissa. Hey, what was Mommy doing?
She was about to say, ah!
I think she did okay. It wasn't that bad. Hey, how did Mommy do?
Good.
Yeah? Was she scared? No? How'd you do?
Never see you again. Never gonna see you again. I'm gonna sail on that ferry boat, never to return again. Goodbye, farewell, so long forever. Goodbye, my Coney Island. Goodbye, my Coney Island. Goodbye, my Coney Island. We all fall for a girl that dresses me leading lambs to slaughter. When it's over, oh boy, we get it good. Faster days we then recall.
Alright, so we got this little space here underneath the turrets. So the castle is right there. And we're gonna watch the little show. I can't remember what it's called.
Welcome, friends,
Here
to
we
the
go.
world's most magical celebration. As part of the 50th anniversary of the Magic Kingdom, we invite you to celebrate 50 years of friendship with Mickey's Magical Friendship Fair. Greetings, friends from near and far. Welcome to the Magical Friendship Fair.
We're so glad you're here!
What a great day!
This is wonderful!
Welcome all to the place where the stories come alive for the child inside. So much more to be seen, so much more than a dream for your eyes. Tomorrow is brighter than you can imagine. Come on, take my hand, we can leave you behind. Then hold and a wish, and off we go to the place we all belong. We're the one that lives in you and me. We just need to believe, like a shooting star within your heart. Every dream, breaking free. It's a memory that you hold inside. It's a friendship yet to unfold. We will celebrate when the magic feels like home. 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 The magic feels like home. The magic feels like home. Feels like home. The magic feels like
Alright, so if you're wanting to watch the show, the friendship show, and you want to stay in the shade, you're just off to the right of the castle underneath there's the 50th statue for the Cinderella. This is the perfect spot. There's nobody in front of you, and you're shaded. It's pretty nice. So let me show you.
Now why are you standing way over there? Come and join the Jubilee.
What is that right there?
Well, I ain't got much to
You got a zoom lens.
Well, I'm not
Gotta
good
get
at
in.
tap dancing or playing the ukulele.
But everyone's got something to add. A party's like a big pot of gumbo.
You can get
It
super
takes
close
all
right here.
Different flavors coming together to make it good.
All right, and the Daredevil continues. Harrison's gonna do Splash Mountain now, right? Conquering all the mountains today. Not Space Mountain though. All right, you should be telling it, but let's go look and see, just to make sure. Just to make sure. Ready? Oh yeah, you got it.
Is it hot enough?
So, Matt, a question. We had one earlier, but then I think it went down, so they gave us an experience. So I can just do it again. Okay.
Yep, you walk right up and
All right, bud. Ready? Let's go.
Daddy? Am I tall enough, Daddy?
Huh?
Am I tall enough?
Yeah, you are tall enough, bud.
Yes! Yes! I'm tall enough!
All right. I got to give it to him. Last year, he wanted nothing to do with it. This year, he's all about the thrill rides. Harrison, look, that's your last chance to exit right there. You ready to get off?
What?
You ready to get off? That's your last chance to exit right there. You Are you gonna go on the ride?
I'm going to go on the ride.
Okay. Come on.
Little wet.
Row 7, bub. Right here. Here we go. What do you think? Huh?
Yeah.
Was that pretty cool? Woo! All right. Yeah, Harrison's officially ready for the other mountains. I'm so proud of Harrison. He did Splash Mountain. He took that last drop like a champ. Now we gotta go find Mommy and Nana because she said she is in line for Jack Sparrow. Where is Mommy? Jack Sparrow. Where is Jack Sparrow?
What was that? You want to know the location of the compass, eh? Mm-hmm. Well, what'd say if I was to say to you that it was located right over here?
Oh, he found it! Question, does it work? Oh, excuse me, sorry.
Very unique. It shows you what it is that you don't know. Many think it's broken, but it's just bizarre. It happens to be gifted. Right? Now, if you want to use me compass, it must be advising me to something of treasure, right? So, look for treasure, then you can use my compass, right?
Alright, look over here. Hey, cheesy. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Thanks, Jack Sparrow.
Captain.
Captain.
Captain Jack Sparrow. That's correct. Bye.